Hi there, John Little here, aka the Tech Bear. I see that you had a question in regards to accessing Muffin's uh, references, traceable. Um, I can log in as you can see here, right here. You can find that lesson and go to the latest tutorials. And there's nothing right there. And this is using our new system, so everything's right here on the source page. You can see you have access to it. Because it's not showing you to log in, or sometimes you'll see a button up here that says, I want to take this course, and hope I can make that disappear in the future. But you can scroll on down, keep scrolling, and you have your equipment list, your paints and brushes, and here are your references. You have Ginger's reference, you have the AI reference we use, and then the AI companion, and then you have the video. You just click on, well, this is part of the paints and stuff. Just click on that one. It shows you the paints that we use, the brushes that we use, and the size of canvas. You can go to the next one, or down here, you have the next lesson. Here's your references. These are things that when you click on them, it opens up in another tab. Then just go right click, save image as. And it'll save it. Where you want to save it. And let's see, we'll see if I can close that second window. We don't need that tab open. Each of them do that. So you have the references, and down here is the actual traceable. That's the PDF that we printed out, and it's 4 sheets of paper. You trim them, tape them together, and then we have an 11 by 14 that you just use with Sorel paper, and you trace it right on the canvas. AI images work the same way. You have all the same grouping. And then this is Biscuit, and Biscuit references are there. And the actual video is there. Now you can play it in this window here, like this, or if you click the square over here, it'll fill the entire frame. Then to get out of that, press the escape key on your computer and it'll go back and down in the window. If it has trouble playing, you can adjust the resolution. If you have a slower internet, take it down to 720 or even 480, and you can still tell very much what's going on. Even 720, you can really tell what's going on. And it'll play without any hiccup. So, and what to tell you, and to get back to the beginning, you can touch this one right here and take it right back out to the very top. So if you have any other questions, please let us know. I think this should solve the problem. I'm going to go ahead and make this video available to everyone so everyone can learn from it. New experience. Thank you.